Today I'm making a fun breakfast idea. This could be breakfast, a snack, dessert. It's cinnamon roll waffles. You take a can of store-bought cinnamon rolls, press it in your waffle maker, and voila, you have a treat. Okay, so today I'm going to be using a store-bought can of cinnamon rolls. This are the larger cinnamon rolls, but actually what I typically make it with is the Pillsbury smaller cinnamon rolls, the smaller can, and they're a lot easier to put, as far as the size. And actually I will link the recipe that I got this idea from. It is from the Pillsbury website, and some of you probably already know about this. I've made these several times for my kids. I actually let my son do this. This is something he enjoys to do with the help of us, but I'm going to show you this is a good idea, for the kids. So I already have my cinnamon rolls out. So actually, before I place this on my waffle iron, I'm going to spray. Now you're going to place each roll. This is a 2 waffle compartment or section. It just depends what type of waffle maker you have. I'm having difficulties here. You're going to place it right on here. And then you're going to close it. You want it right in the center. And I have this like on the medium setting. It goes from minimum to maximum heat. I have it in the middle, and it's going to take about, I would say 2 minutes of cook time, 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so here, let's see if sometimes I have issues with these. Oh, there it goes, perfect. Use the kitchen utensil of choice, and here we are. That smells so good. Okay. So it looks like, I will say this, if you have a waffle iron that is not non-stick, this might not be a fun recipe for you, because already, the cinnamon does kind of get stuck in between the grooves of your waffle iron, but I'm going to make this work. I sometimes look out and I have no issues, but see how this kind of got stuck? Oh, there it goes. Still going to be good. Still going to be good. Okay, so all of my little cinnamon roll waffles are done. Now I'm going to take the pre-packaged icing and just drizzle over all of my waffles. Okay, now this is an easy breakfast that's a treat for your kids, and they can even make it themselves with the help of an adult. But it's a nice, fun idea. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.